The FDA has issued a decision banning trans fats in all manufactured foods. The ban will be rolled out in stores by 2018. Healthcare officials hope the ban will reduce coronary heart disease and prevent thousands of deaths resulting from heart attacks. Dietitian Keri Glassman joins us in studio to talk more about this. Thanks for being here.
It's great to be here.
So we've been hearing about this for a while because they've been talking about this for a couple years now. How dangerous are trans fats just in your everyday life?
So trans fats are dangerous because when you eat them even just a little bit, you can raise your cholesterol, which we know can increase your risk for heart disease. And we also know that heart disease is the #1 killer of men and women.
So this can really prevent thousands of deaths.
I absolutely believe that removing trans fats can help prevent many deaths. I mean, the one good thing is that we've already seen trans fats removed from many restaurants and from many types of packaged foods, but this next step that now the FDA has taken it off of the GRAS list will absolutely, I think, increase just the amount of deaths that we do prevent.
Now, some of the companies, they're already ahead of this, and they've already started removing the trans fats. Some of the debate centered around, well, this is going to make the food not taste as good. Is that true, and are they finding good enough replacements?
That's not true. That's just some food manufacturers wanting you to think that. So absolutely, I do not believe that people will notice a big difference because you're not taking out fat, you're just taking out trans fat. Fats have a certain mouthfeel and they have a certain taste, we know, and they provide a certain amount of satiety. The FDA is just having manufacturers take out these trans fats, but there's still going to be fats in the foods. And remember, a lot of these types of foods that people may associate as having trans fats, they've already been reduced. So even further reason that people, I don't think, are going to notice a difference.
All right, so we were basically talking, most of the food that we're talking about here, it's in the vending machine, or it's the food that stays on the shelf the longest.
Exactly, which is one of the reasons that food manufacturers like trans fats, because they increase shelf life and they're less expensive.
All right, so this isn't going to happen overnight, so how is this going to roll out?
So it's going to, I believe the FDA has given food manufacturers 3 years to completely remove it from all of its products.
Okay, and so you don't think we're going to see much of a difference, and you think it's going to be okay?
I think we're going to see, hopefully, a big difference in our health and not much difference as far as taste goes. So happy it's out.
All right, Keri Glassman, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.